Watch me put together this budget-friendly sandbox that keeps my baby occupied, keeps him in sight while I'm working from home. And the best part is, it's a one-woman's job. Whew, y'all. Walking up this hill. Yeah, I gotta get myself in shape. Excuse my lips if they're red. I'm drinking black cherry Kool-Aid. But yeah, on my way home from getting our lunch, I noticed something out of the corner of my eye across the street from me. Let me show y'all what I seen in the bushes. There is a kiddie pool that's been bent up, out of shape, and tossed in this debris over here across the street from my house. Ah, it got me! The Evil Dead! Oh God, the Evil Dead, it got me. So y'all, it's a little bent up, but nothing I can't fix. Remember, it is free 99. I'm on a tight budget. All I gotta do is clean it, sage it, and make it work. And he's gonna be just as happy. Y'all, sometimes I just wish I can go like, ting, and it just be all done like Bewitched, I swear. Or the Genie. It's Genie, right? The Bewitched used to do that. All right, with her nose. The Genie is the one that be like, ting. I wish I could just do that and everything just be done. But at the same time, where's the fun in that? Yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I get this shit popping, y'all. Good job. Y'all, so yeah, I sound like my mom talking about get it popping, but what I'm going to do is put holes in here for drainage, and then I'm going to glue landscaping fabric, which I got from Roses for $1.99, just to prevent bugs from coming through. Where's your scooter? All right, that's fine. Be careful on Ken scooter. Don't mess it up, okay? Okay. Don't make the indecisive mistake I made. Make sure you have it where you want it to be, under a nice tree, shady patch, before you start dumping, because one bag is heavy as hell, y'all, okay? What I did was just kind of put them around so I can make sure that I spread it inside evenly the first time. And make sure as y'all go, put those bags in the empty bag, or this right here is going to happen. You see that shit? So for experimental purposes, I decided not to fill it all the way up, just because we're headed to the rainy season. If it's too thick, I feel like I won't be able to help air it out and toss it around. But here is our finished product. I'm happy about it. He's super excited. I just hope he can keep the sand in the sandbox, because y'all, each bag was $3.99. That shit is not cheap, okay? But if you enjoyed our video, please give us a big thumbs up. Comment any ideas, any tips, tricks, hacks if you tried it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, I love y'all. Be safe.